Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Black color, orange color, red color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, violet color. Let's start alphabets. Alphabet A. A for ash. B. B for belly. C. C for cap. D. D for doll. E. E for elephant. F. F for fan. G. G for glass. H. H for horse. I. I for ink. J. J for jar. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lottery. M. M for magic. N. N for news. O. O for ocean. P. P for parachute. Q. Q for quill. R. R for robot. S. S for sun. T. T for train. U. U for Uranus. V. V for vehicle. W. W for wall. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zoo. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye.